Hi everyone, welcome to this video. So this video is an instructional video for making table of contents in a document using Microsoft Word. So I'm Bebs ever, so let's have it now. So I have here a document. So I got this text from bitsfluent.com. So this is a sample business report. So a business report has its own parts. So like the business report has executive summary, introduction, body, and then I give a little bit of elements here, which is exhibit one, exhibit two, exhibit three, or like parts within the body, and then conclusion and recommendation. And I got this one. So I got this one, so we could have it. We could make the table of contents here, so by parts. So first thing to do is to let's insert a page number. So any page we're gonna go, but I'm gonna work on the bottom page at the right part. So I close that. So now, for example, this is now your title page, and I want to get now my table of contents. Right? So the strategy there is to use now the styles. So here are the styles in the home. So when you're using now the style, this would give you a very good insight on this part. So let me just make every part of this sample business report on different pages. So I'll just gonna go on a keyboard control enter so that it will be on a different page for the introduction, different page for body, and then different page for conclusion and recommendations, and different page for bibliography, references, and works cited. Now, for every part, we could say that first would be the executive summary. Now, I want to work that out with heading. So this would be your target. So, there would be a questions how I would modify this one. You could modify that left key, then click modify. And then if you want, it would be the text font size and color there will be, and then just click this one automatically update, and it would be updating for all. So as of now, I would not work on the modification, just go on its setting. I have now the executive summary. So every part I'm going to work that out. So introduction, heading one for the body would be heading one as well. And then conclusion and recommendation would be that. Now, let me give you another work on with the style. We have now heading two. So for every element, so there will be a part with the exhibit one. I'm going to use now heading two. For exhibit two, we're going to use now heading two as well. And then exhibit three, we're going to use now heading two as well. And then for this part, conclusion and recommendation, I'm going to use as well heading two for conclusions and then recommendation. So it would be a sub part or would be under the conclusion and recommendation. And then bibliography and works cited would be heading one. Now, so the target is to create now a table of content. So I want to put my table of content here. Now I'm going to go now with reference. As you can see, there's a feature here, table of contents. And then you can now check would be the table one, the automatic table one or automatic table two content or this one. So I'm going to select now this one, the contents, table of contents. And voila, this is now your table of content. That's how it works now. So you have now your table of contents as easy as that. And then it would be updating if the pages we're going to go run through for everything. So when you have this one, you can, this would be auto update as long as you update everything. So update the page number, update the entire table if there will be changes in the documents. I think that's it. So I hope you learned something with this session of making table of contents in a document. Once again, this is Bebs Ever and hope you like it. Thank you very much.